Hi Beanbeauti, Dee Bean here. How are y'all doing today? Today I have an unbagging. It's a Dooney and Bourke, and it's an addition to my collection. Yes, I'm still growing my denim collection. Can you believe it? I sure am. So that's what this is. Let's see. It's a denim bag, and I'm hoping that it's a little bit bigger than the other bag that I have. It's like this. Oh yeah, it is. It's so noisy, isn't it? It's a barrel bag and it's red. It's got the red leather on it. So I have the small barrel bag. Here is the certificate of authenticity. Ta-da! And I was trying to see, I know it's here somewhere. I'll see if I can find it in a little bit. I have the baby barrel bag to go with it. Let's see. Well, let me show you the inside and then I'll show you around. We'll do a little bit backwards today. So here is the key keeper, which it's on the red leather, has a kind of a gold brassy key fob, lobster key, dog leash key. Here is the inside. It's got the red lining. It has the regular Dooney setup back here. It has the two pockets back here. It has the zipper pocket here, the main zipper pocket right there. It has one little pocket here, and then the other pocket over here, which my cell phones won't fit in there, I don't think. Yeah, I mean it'll fit there, but it's not gonna zip. Here is the all-important Dooney tag right there. This particular bag was made in China, but it's got the Dooney tag there. Then on the front, there's another zipper here on the front, and a little baby pocket, This front one will house my phone without a problem, and then of course the cavity is open and plenty of room for my cell phone. So let's stuff it up a little bit. I've been doing some videos, so I have plenty of stuffing. Ah, I just discovered something. Wow, I didn't see that. And it's in the picture, but it wasn't disclosed. It does not have a zipper. It had the zipper pull. So I think I can ask Dooney and see if they can send me a zipper pull, if I can buy a zipper pull from them. But here is the front of the bag, the side of the bag, back of the bag, the other side, the bottom, what the top looks like. It has the little orange duck bag charm here, and then here it has the gold-plated Dooney and Bourke right there, and it's very clean. It's in very clean condition. The bottom right here is a little bit more sturdy, so it's not a full. It's more like an oval bag. It's not really a full rounded round bag. Let me see if I can zip this up. Yeah, there. The zipper works. The zipper works good. It just needs a pull. There, see, no problem. So I just need to get a zipper pull and to put that on there, which that can be easily remedied, not a problem. This will have to be a crook of the arm bag for me because it won't fit on my shoulders. It's too, almost though, almost. Maybe a little bit more weight, maybe it'll fit. I mean, I could get away with it. I could force it. Yeah, definitely a new addition to my Dooney denim collection, or my denim collection overall. Let's see if I can find the other bag I was referring to. I love my studio. I can find my items quickly. So here is the other one that's a barrel bag, and so I have two similar ones, a baby and a big one. This one has the vachetta, the clear ivy vachetta, and this one has the red vachetta. All right, Beanbeauties, Thank you so much for joining me today. Thank you so much for being part of my YouTube world, and I greatly appreciate it, Beanbeauties. Love y'all. Bye-bye.